This is Sangster International Airport.
Yeah, man. Greetings, everybody. Stewie coming to you from Sangsters International Airport in Montego Bay. Hope this one finds you in a happy place. It's great to see Bob Marley's name big and bold in the airport as the new Bob Marley restaurant seems to be doing well. This video going to be a little different from the others, as you might hear a little patois slip out in this one, because this is me sharing a personal experience I had on board Southwest 1025, which was scheduled to depart Montego Bay at 1 p.m. for Fort Lauderdale on May 7th, 2024. This flight was delayed for over 2 hours for a reason I have never heard about, read about, or nothing about. No, sir, this is a secret I couldn't keep. I didn't have to tell you no what I go on with that one. This is one I make all my native tongue chippy in a paper to me a chat. Another cool thing I want to show you in this video also is some of the coolest liveries that I have seen. You know, the pretty airplane them, just them you go see until the end of this video. Alright, so let me tell you now what go on now. We reach airport on time, 2 hours before we flight. So when we reach a airport now, we are checking or something, then let us know that the boarding time for our flight has changed because the incoming flight or the incoming aircraft which is supposed to do our flight, that flight is being delayed by a couple minutes, 15 to 20 minutes. So we now know so that no nothing. Because the pilot them can make up them time the back in the sky. So we're going to reach Fort Lauderdale on time because we have a connecting flight and we don't really want no delay, because it kind of close. So fast forward now to boarding time, and so we reach at the gate and we are board and something. So when we reach at the door now, the flight attendant them the right at the plane door make say, guess what? We want to still make the 1 o'clock time, we still can do it, if everybody cooperate and make sure say you have a seat and put your luggage quick way and not block the aisle on the aircraft. And everybody a cooperate and do the thing like how them say it, so that the plane can load up quick, because we still want to make the 1 o'clock too, So like a well-organized ansness, everybody in their seat and their luggage tuck away and we still have couple minutes to 1 o'clock, So we say, all right then, plane soon move. We feel all the tug connect to the aircraft, So we say, yes, sure sign that, So we say, so 1 o'clock come, plane no move. 1:10 come, plane no move. 20 past 1 come, plane no move. I say, hold on, I go on here, so. Shortly after that, the pilot near over the PA system and make an announcement, so we have a delay. One of the ground crew lose their cap. So the crew on the ground will have to remove a couple covers and panels to locate the cap. May I tell you, say right away, brother, I just catch the seat pocket in front of me and a one word me sip on the little booklet in our max. So I said to myself, say thank you Jesus, at least we not take off yet, we can come back after this, because Max is not a nice boy when him ready, But anyway, nobody didn't say we should get off the airplane, and it sound to me like it's a quick fix, based upon where the professional them I say. So them tell we say, all right, we have to pull down the blinds them, so we can't really see what going on outside, And it's a full flight, so all of the seat them full up. So I did want to get up still and go look through one of the window to see if I could see what going on outside, but it never possible because me say it's a full flight. So we sit down on board that aircraft there, when the first hour pass, remember say this is Jamaica, so the sun now ramp down at this, you have this metal tube where sit down on this tarmac down there on pure concrete, So inside of this I get hot, you can see the passenger them, every hand in the ceiling above them, try open the vent so they can get as much air as possible. But after a little while still like them put a unit on the plane and we start feel the cool air condition again. This also mean if that they're adding air conditioning, it means we're going to be sitting here for a while more. As we're gone already, since we dep on this plane sit down, and we don't know. So I think to myself, and I say, well then if this cap the drop off in the cargo area, and I just open the cargo door and go in and they go look for. But then say them have a pull cover. So I say, say it look like the engine that thing are gone in. And then shortly after that, maybe an hour and a half after the whole thing started, the pilot come back again on the PA system and say, well then find the cap. But they have to be replacing the cowlings. So I say, boy, I don't really know that much still, but I don't know if cowling they know other way on the plane, but me know said the engine cover them and so then call them. Well, anyway, after about 2 hours with no life last, we were on our way to Fort Lauderdale. We got into Fort Lauderdale later than our scheduled time, so I had a close connect and I missed that. So I had to spend a couple more hours in the airport. But in those hours, I got an opportunity to speak to a pilot, and I was relating to him, what actually happened on the first leg of my flight, and he was letting me know that there's some serious safety precautions taken when it comes to airplane. So if somebody is going around an airplane, say for instance, somebody is going to check on the engine or something, everything that you're bringing is recorded. And when you're leaving from the area where you were on the aircraft, you have to give account for everything that you brought in. So somebody will physically check those off. So it's just a safety concern, to get this thing, because you can't leave nothing to chance when it comes to airplane. You have to be sure of everything. I must say, I lift my hats off to the Southwest crew and for handling such a scenario and didn't take any shortcuts just to get us in the air on time, and they did what procedure said they should do. Bless up on yourself. Continue to watch the rest of the video. As I say, pure liver on that one, yeah. Enough liver. Bless up.
also backtrack into position.